If the microwave door on your oven-microwave combo won't open, here are the 6 most probable causes. The door hook or latch secures the door during operation. If a hook or latch is broken, it may not allow the door to release properly. Replacing the damaged component with a new one should fix the problem. Depending on the model, the microwave's door interlock spring could be damaged. Again, a broken spring should be replaced with a new one. If your microwave model has a release lever, the mechanism may have failed. Installing a new lever should resolve the issue. If your microwave uses a button to release the door, the button may have broken, requiring the damaged component to be replaced. One or more of the springs located inside the release button may have failed as well. You can usually replace the spring or springs independently of the button. The latch actuator, which is actuated when the door hook is engaged, may have gotten brittle over time and broken. Depending on the model, you may be able to replace just the actuator to solve the problem. Be aware that the high voltage and current used by microwave ovens can cause injury or death if the unit is being disassembled. You should always unplug the appliance before attempting any repairs, but since the high voltage capacitor may retain a charge even after the oven has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals test and replace internal components. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific replacement part that will fix your oven-microwave combo.